You're a shooter Andy Barry on iHeartRadio's #1 station at 98. It's coming up next Star Wars, all right? Keep it in.
Tomorrow night on Fox's hit singing competition, The Four, the finale is almost here. The Four have fought hard to keep their seats.
I love you so much.
You know, like a superstar. The biggest battle is yet to come.
You better dig deeper than you ever had in your life.
When fan favorites from the season, Shavaya, Saeed, Ash, and Candace return